If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
Hey, my unicorn. So I'm back with another video. So I thought that I would review this new wig that I got and do kind of like a little, I don't know, get ready with me makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it, because I got this new foundation that I really want to try. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be reviewing Outre Melted Hairline, Andrea, and sorry, I'm trying to open this. And she is in the color DR2 Cinnamon Spice, and it has a frontal effect. And what does it say right here? It's comfortable laying behind the ears. You guys know, like when you're laying your lace down and it comes all the way down here and you got to do all that cutting and customizing, like all back here. It fits comfortably right here. It has baby hairs. It's a HD lace. These are other colors. This is just a little bit of it, and then the colors they have on the back. And also it has a beautiful, here go the little baby hairs right here, little small little baby hairs. And then that's cute because that's giving straight scalp, baby. And also, I ain't even pay attention to this, but it has an elastic band, okay? And then the back of it has little combs. It has 2 combs right here on the side. And then, like, the parting space is very good, like the back of it. And then you guys know that you can adjust it in the back as well. This is, like, really, really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and try her on. Okay. Okay, she's most definitely snug even without the elastic band. She's a good firm fit. Girl, look at that. Look at that hairline. Poke myself in the eye. Y'all didn't see that. But this is giving. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling this because you don't even have to go in and tweeze the part a little. Like, you don't have to go in and tweeze the part at all. But if you want to, you can, like, because you don't want to do too much because they really did a really good job. And you don't want to look like, you know, it's bald. But if you want to, you can, because I know everybody's hairline is cut different. So if you want to cut it to the way your hairline is, you can do that as well. But yeah, I'm feeling this. Look at that. Girl, what? Yeah, for sure. This is really, 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 really cute. Okay, so I'm about to try this new foundation out, which is by CoverGirl, and they have a separate line that's for women of color, and I really didn't realize that. I'm from CoverGirl in the color FS415 Deep Cool. Now, they had a lot of colors. The color that I thought was my color was not my color. Like, I kept having to go up a shade. I felt like this was my color, so I'm going to comfortably stay with this one and see how this one works out on my face. And so okay, so I actually feel like this is a really beautiful foundation, but since I deal with this coloration on my face, you can see, you probably can't see it right here because I can see how it looks. It definitely looks very beautiful on the skin and gives a skin finish. But me looking right here in my mirror, I can see a little bit of, you know, my discoloration. So you would most definitely have to go in a few times with this if you're a person that deals with discoloration. If you don't deal with discoloration on your skin, this will be most definitely a beautiful foundation on your skin.
Touch me, that's a no. Mr. DJ, won't you play that song? Tell them bricks shake they nasty thongs. Hey boys, won't you sing along? Cause we gon' rock the party to the early morn. Two lick shots, time to see you dance. Hey, you white, you fucking. Two lick shots, time to see you dance. Hey, you white, you fucking. I don't hear me. You don't scare me. Originality is lyric. My own style and I ain't sharing.
I just want to say, girl, you got me feeling all kinds of ways. Sorry, y'all, because I had cut the lace, so it's a little bit of shedding in it. Girl, you got me feeling all type of way for real. Like, this color, like, come on now. Like, you cannot. What? Uh-huh. You said what? Oh, okay. This is for my girls who should be wanting to, like, wear, like, that. You know, they little human hair wigs or whatever. You probably don't have enough time or nothing like that, but don't sleep on synthetics, you know what I'm saying? Because it's been times where I was like, you know what? I want a human hair wig. I gotta have a human hair wig. No, girl. You don't have to have a human hair wig. You know what I'm saying? You can get something like this and lay it down. Especially they pre-plucking the front for you. So you don't even have to do too much. Really. Like, you don't even have to go in and plug. The most that you would probably have to do is, like, tint your lace probably with some foundation or with some lace spray, or you can go to Kiss and get the, you know, the medium brown, dark brown, and just tint your lace and just put it on and cut it and do baby hairs if you want to. Other than that, girl, one thing I don't like though is it's a little white right here, but with this color though. So if you guys love this video, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're a newcomer and you just came across my video. Don't forget to hit the notification button as well, so you know anytime that I upload and come out with some new videos. I hope that you guys like it. Please put down in the description what other wigs that you guys want me to try, and I will most definitely try them. And I love you, unicorns. Bye.